Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this occasions, let me introduce our team. My name is Della Hira Larasati and my partner Edo Aprilia Nujarot. So, in this occasion, we would like to talk about procedure text. So, let's check this out. When we all talk about procedure text, we always think about the meaning of procedure text. So, what is procedure text? So, in this occasion, we would like to talk about the definition, the structure, and the social function or purpose of procedure text. Procedure text is the one of many text genres. Procedure text is a text that explains or help us how to make or use something. In this social function, it's to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. And when we all talk about procedure text, the example of procedure text is recipe text. The next is we would like to talk about the purpose of the procedure text. When we all talk about the procedure text is to give guidance on how to make or operate something through coherent acts or steps. In daily life, we certainly have made something like DIY stuff or meal. Sometimes we have no idea how to do that. That is why we need procedure tag to complete it. The next is we will talk about characteristic of procedure text. So what is characteristic of procedure text? At the first one, procedure text use sequence adverb at those in the example is first, second, and many more. Secondly, it is using simple present tense, and thirdly, use imperative sentence pattern. The example is chop the garlic and many more. And the last characteristic is use action verbs. Example of action verb is crack, peel, cut, and many more. If we want to make procedure text, how the structure should be. So in this part, we would like to talk about the structure of procedure text. Besides the characteristics, procedure text also have structure to make us easier at recognizing the text. So check next slide. So the generic structure of procedure text are aims or goal. It is purpose of the text. It can be a short description of the text or in the title. Second one, about the materials, contains ingredients and tools that are going to be used. And the last is steps. Steps contain things that to do to reach the aim. So, the next slide is about the example of procedure text. In this slide, I would like to show all of you about how to make an omelette. So, the ingredient there are eggs, salt, minced cheese, smoked beef, and cooking oil. And the tools that we use is teflon, spatula, bowl, fork. So, the next slide is about the method. So guys, you can read the method to make omelette, and I'm sure that is easy to do in your house and to do in yourself to make an omelette. And we can know that there are 5 methods, so the reader should follow the method to make an omelette. So the next example is the procedure text of how to make orange juice. In here there are ingredients and tools. So the reader should pay attention about the ingredients and tools, and will decide it is will depend on the result at the end. In the ingredients, there are 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and there are caution optional, so the readers or the practitioner can add the lemon juice, but they can skip this step. The next slide is about the method to how to make orange juice. There are 6 methods to make orange juice, and we can know that there are using simple present tense, using imperative, and then so many characteristics that we can know in this step or in this method. So next to the next slide. Yeah, this is an exercise for all of you guys to make an procedure text. So you can make procedure text based on the picture below, and then you can write it down how to make it based on the step of the picture below correctly with your own language. You can write it down in your book, or you can do in your laptop too, and print out and submit it in our class. So I think this is enough. Thanks for your attention. Sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.